Good afternoon, students. This is Aboni Dhara. Today we will going to start with the exercise of chapter number 1, Introduction to Corporate Finance. So let's start. In the exercise, I have circled out the answers. So let's discuss why these answers are perfect. Question number 1A. Select the correct answers from the options given below and rewrite these statements. So here students, you need to write the statement as well in the exam with the proper and exact answer. Dash is related to money and money management. So obviously we have gone through with the chapter. Over there we have saw that money and money management is all related with the finance department. So that is why finance is the answer. The second one, finance is the management of dash affairs of the company. So, of course, it is what? Monetary affairs. It's not marketing, neither it is a production. So, finance is always been a management for monetary purposes. Third one, corporation finance deals with the acquisition and use of by business corporation. So corporate finance actually deals when they are acquired some of the fixed assets like machinery, building, land, etc. So they need capital. So capital is the only one thing which is very, very important for the business purpose. Move on to the fourth point. Company has to pay dash to government. So company has to pay what to the government? It's neither dividend and neither interest, because dividend we give to the shareholders and interest we used to give to the debenture holders or the public deposits. But when company has to pay something to the government, it is other than taxes. The fifth one is dash refers to any kind of fixed assets. So whatever the things is invested in the terms of fixed capital is known as the kind of fixed assets. So neither it will be authorized capital nor issued capital. Move on to the sixth point. Dash refers to the excess of current assets over current liabilities. So it is only working capital, as we have already discussed earlier in the last few sessions of the SP, that is secretarial practice. Over there we have inquired, even we have saw that moreover current assets minus current liabilities gives you working capital. So this is what the answer. Move on to the seventh point, that is manufacturing industries have to invest dash amount of funds to acquire fixed assets. Yes, students, for the manufacturing company or industries, they have to invest in a huge amount of funds in the business. So the answer is huge. Next one. 8. When the population is increasing at high rate, certain manufacturers find this as an opportunity to business. So that is what called expand. For the expansion of the business, we need to increase the rate of the manufacturers and also to our business. Number ninth one is the sum of all dash is cross working capital is neither than current assets, as we have discussed earlier as well. The last one is dash means mixed up of various sources of funds in desired proportion. So yes, it is very, very easy, because we have just saw in the last lecture about the capital structure. So capital structure is the sum of the mix-up of all the sources of the funds in the desired proportion of the company. So with this we have done question number 1, sub-question A. Move on to the next, that is match the pair. Here I have highlighted the answers with the bracket in red color. As you can see on the screen, capital budgeting means investment decision. Fixed capital means fixed assets. Working capital means sum of current assets. Capital structure means mix up of various sources of funds. Corporate finance means deals with acquisition and use of capital. So this is what the match the pair all about. Move on to the question number C, that is sub question C. Write a word. You need to write a word or a term or a phrase which can substitute the following statement. So here students, on the screen as you can see, I have highlighted the answers with red mark underlined. So let's start and discuss about the answers, why these answers are so perfect. A key determinant of success of any business function is another than finance. Finance is only the important factor where the business can function very smoothly and they can arise with the success in future. So that's why finance is the key determinant of success of any business, any functions of the business. Move on to the second point, the decision of finance manager which ensures that firm is well capitalized. So the answer is financing decision. So the decision which is taken by the finance manager in the firm for the capitalization or with the capitalization is known as financing decision. Third one, the decision of finance manager to deploy the funds in systematic manner is known as investment decision. Capital needed to acquire fixed assets which are used for longer period of time is known as fixed capital. As we have discussed in the chapter also, the fixed capital means the capital which is used for a very long period of time is known as fixed capital. Move on to the fifth question. The sum of the current assets is known as working capital, as we just saw in the match the pair as well. The excess of current assets over current liabilities is known as also what? Working capital. Seventh point, the process of converting raw material into finished goods is known as production cycle. So this is what called production cycle, wherein you are going to convert the raw materials into the finished goods in the process of a company or a factory or an industry. So those processes are called as production cycle. Move on to the 8th point. The boom and recession cycle in the economy is known as business cycle. So boom is the word which is used when the market is at a very profitable nature, and recession is the word which influences or which includes the loss of the market in the economy. So these two comes in a cycle way, like anti-cyclic or cyclic way of the business. So that's why this is called as business cycle. Move on to the ninth one. The ratio of different sources of funds in the total capital is known as capital structure. So these structure are called as capital structure. The internal sources of finance is known as retained earning. So the internal sources of finance is called as what? Retained earnings, as we have discussed in the very first lecture of this particular chapter. So internal sources of finance is called as what? Retained earning. So with this we have completed our question number 1, sub-question C. Now move on to the next question, which is called true and false. So we just need to follow and we need to understand the questions what they are asking for. So finance is related to money and money management. Exactly true. We just now we have saw in the previous questions. Second one, business firm gives green signals to the project only when it is profitable. Yes, that is also true. Corporate finance brings coordination between the various business activities. Yes, it is also true. Fixed capital is also referred as circulating capital. No, it is not called as a circulating capital. So it is false. Fifth one, working capital stays in the business almost permanently. False. It is not for the permanent, it is for temporary basis. So now we will going to see the next question, that is the business will require huge funds if assets are required on lease basis. No, it is absolutely false. It is a wrong statement which is used here. Seventh one, the business dealing in luxurious product will require huge amount of working capital. So this is called as true. Of course, the business, if they are dealing with the luxurious product, the amount of the working capital will be higher. So that is why it is called as a true. A firm with large scale operations will require more working capital. So it is called as true. Liberal credit policy creates a problem of bad debts. True. Yes. The last one, financial institutions and banks caters to the working capital requirement of the business. True. So with this we have done our true or false also. Move on to the next, that is E. Find the odd man. 1. Land and building, plant and machinery, cash. So the first question which is they are asking us to find out the odd is the cash. Why cash? Because land and building, plant and machinery, they all are fixed tangible assets and cash is the current assets. So that is why we have taken that as an odd man out. Next one, debenture capital, equity share capital, preference share capital. So as you know, there is a differences between borrowed funds and owned funds. So owned fund is divided into two parts, that is share capital of equity as well as preference. But borrowed fund is debenture capital, so that is why it is going to be odd man out. Next one, fixed capital, capital structure, working capital. So among these three, capital structure is the one which is odd man out. Why? Because fixed capital and working capital are both included in the capital structure. So that is why capital structure is the odd man out. This is not the type of capital, it is a structure of capital. Next one, move on to the F, that is question number 1, sub question F. Complete the sentence. So here what we need to do is this. We need to complete the sentences by what? So initial planning of capital requirement is made by financial manager. Second one, When there is a boom in economy, sales will increase. Third one, the process of converting raw materials into finished goods is called production cycle. Next one, during recession period, sales will decrease. So recession is the period where the loss is happening, as we discussed just now in the exercise, that recession is the period where the loss is faced by the market, or market condition is in the loss. So that is why the sales will decrease on that particular period of time. So with this we have complete the sentences as well. Move on to the next question, that is select the correct option from the bracket. So to have right amount of capital, deploy funds in a systematic manner, fixed capital, working capital, capital structure. So these all are the things where we need to adjust it, or we need to write in the correct pairing option. So the first one is financing decision. The B answer will be to have right amount of capital. Next one, fixed capital means to longer period of time. Third, investment decision, deploy funds in the systematic manner. D, working capital, circulating capital. And E, combination of various sources of funds means capital structure. So these all are the things which we have completed. I guess this is also understood by you all. Move on to the next, that H, subquestion 1 H. Answer in one sentence. Here define corporate finance, what is fixed capital, define working capital, what is production cycle, and define capital structure. So all the answers are already in the textbook. You just need to go with that paragraph and just need to write from the first or two lines. That's it. 1 or 2 lines you just need to write to complete these questions. Move on to the next one, that is correct the underlying words or word. Rewrite the following sentences. So the finance is needed to pay not dividend, because dividend is paid to the shareholders. So we need to pay what? Interest to the debentures holder. Next one, when there is a recession in the economy, sales will increase. If there is a recession in the economy, then the sales will decrease. Just now we have saw. But if sales will increase, the sales will increase in the economy when there is a boom period. Okay. Next one, share is an acknowledgement of loan raised by the company. No, absolutely wrong. It's not share, it's about debentures. Debenture is the acknowledgement of loan raised by the company. On the other hand, equity share carry dividend at fixed rate. No, its preference shares carry fixed dividend at a fixed rate. So that is what equity shares are getting fluctuating rate of dividend. So these all are the things which you need to keep in your mind. Explain the concept or terms like financing decision, investment decision, fixed capital, working capital. So these all are mentioned already in the textbook. We will going to see the textbook and we will going to just write from there. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe my channel for more exercise and more videos like this. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe bell icon, and do comment how you really felt about my video. Thank you so much for your precious time. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.